Good morning, students of this class 10. Welcome here to this session. We are today going to discuss regarding the lesson number 2, and that is federalism. Lesson number 2, that is the federalism. So, I will start this one. What is federalism? You know, there are different type of this government there in the country. Somewhere this is unitary, somewhere there is just combined, they are doing 2, 3, 4, 5 people are just doing the administration. Somewhere there is the administration of these kings, somewhere there is the dictator. So, different type of this administration. What this federalism means what? This is the administration, this is the government where there are more than one, where there are the organization more than one. Okay. So, this is called the federalism. When just we are more than one, there are just mostly in our country, what is there? There is the system of this democracy, and we know this democracy is such that where there are the system of administration by more than one. You know, so this is federalism means it is the administration or government more than one. Like there are just one party rule and rule of the many more parties. So, that is we can say this federalism. Federal means more than one. So, this is the federalism. What are the main differences now between this federal form government and this unitary form of government? Right now I told you, when just we are talking about this federal system of this administration, certainly there are more than one, maybe the center, state and this Panchayati Raj. Just we will come all one by one. So, this is more than one. Then here is the first in our country is the system of the central government, then the state government, and then last the Panchayati Raj system. As with this Panchayati Raj system is where this is there at the level of this villages, and you are aware, you know that 70% people in our country are living there in the villages. 70% people who those are living there in the country at the village side, in the villages, just if we don't care for them, if no better administration will be for them, it means we are just ruling only on 30% people and the 70% people are suffering. So, this Panchayati Raj system or this federal type of system is just we can say the suitable for our country. Like our country is earlier there was the system of, you are aware through this history, there were the system of these kings and queen here. So, this is not now, there was that system was not suitable for this country, because you cannot say a king who those are sitting there and will be able to control the country in a democratic way. And we have the democratic form of government here in our country. And what does it mean? When there is the democracy, when there is the democratic form of government, it means here is the system, we are electing our representative ourselves and they are ruling on us. They are ruling on us. There are, you know, this 543 MP plus 2, then they are just going there among them, from them we are choosing, you are choosing, or the MPs are choosing their this one leader, that leaders become the prime minister and they are the leader, or under that leader all the administrations are running in the federal form of government. So, central government, then this comes the another form, and central this others state we can say, states are there, unitary government are there, but here in our system totally this is the federalism. Okay, here no unitary system is there, central government, state government and Panchayati Raj level. For that just we will go through today. So, this is the system of main differences between federal form and the unitary form. Unity means what? Alone? Raja suppose is ruling, king is ruling. So, that is called the unitary. What he or she is telling, what this king and queen just giving the direction, it will be done accordingly, but that is not in our country. In our country there is the system of the ruled or ruling by the representatives, ruling by the representatives, and who those are? They are the MLAs, they are the MPs. Okay, so they are the MPs and MLAs, they are ruling on us. So, this central and non-central government. So, this federal form of government and unitary form of government, central plus non-central, there are two types of this. So, when just we are just bringing all together, then this is called the federalism. Okay. Now, what are the functions of the Gram Sabha? The very first line I told you regarding this 70% people who those are living there in the villages. So, this where is this Gram Panchayat and Gram Sabha? This is in our villages. Gandhiji always used to tell, start the rule properly there in the villages. Until unless just you take care of the people of the villages, from the villages, just you cannot say you are the success, any central or state, you are not the successful ruler. You are doing very much better jobs there in center, but if the villages, just is it possible for any one minister, education minister or any finance minister or any health minister, he or she can control from there? No, that is not. So, there are different type of this stages, steps are there, where just we are being ruled and you are also responsible to run accordingly. When you are the chief minister, you are supposed to take care of your state. When you are the minister there in center, you are supposed to take care of the entire country. Health minister, you are aware, the health minister, who is there in Delhi? He is supposed to take care of the health regarding the entire country, whole country, just he or she is supposed to take care. Although in all the states there is or are the health ministers also. Each and every state has the health ministers. So, they are just giving the support, they are taking the support, what are the problems where, and you can easily understand if just you are watching the news and TV this time due to this pandemic in our country, or not only in our country, just throughout the world. So, you can easily understand what is the responsibility of the health ministry or health minister in our country or everywhere, not only in our country, everywhere, wherever there is the health ministry or there is the system of this federalism, who those are at the center, they are responsible for the entire country. They are supposed to give the aid, they are supposed to take care, just to give the assistance to the states also. Okay. See, when we are talking about this central and non-central or this others or Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat, so this is the responsibility of the particular state health ministry, ki what are the system, where we are standing there in the state regarding the health ministry. So this pandemic has already shown us the different just problems. So how just we can deal, how we are dealing, you are aware about this one also if you are sometimes watching these newspapers and TVs. So now we are talking about the functions of the Gram Panchayat. What are the functions of the Gram Panchayat? Gram Panchayat is at the lowest level in our country, which is far away from the center, which is far away from the centers in villages. If the prime ministers, if the other ministers want to go or interested to go to their villages, they cannot go there easily. So the importance of the Gram Sabha and the Gram Panchayat is or are very important. Who those are looking after this one? Road should be there, hospitals should be there, educational institutions should be there, because if you will not take care of all these, then how the people of the villages will be educated? And sometimes you are aware about also that the villagers who those are intelligent, who those are very much interested to go for these higher educations, they are moving to the cities and towns. Why? Because there is no such facility there in the villages. They can or they could take the better education there. So they are trying to shift to the towns and cities. What will be there at that very time? At that very time, the pressure on the cities and towns will be much more. Okay. So this is coming under this. So we will have to make this Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat strong. We will have to make this Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat strong. We will have to give them the support. We will have to give them the full support to this Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat, who those are at the downest level in our country. If just we give them the support, then what will happen? The load will be lesser than to the central government. So there is requirement of the assistance. So center is responsible for that. Center is responsible for to give the assistance to this Gram Panchayat, and this Gram Sabha will just work in a just proper way. Okay. So now next we are going to this, what are the key features of this federalism? See, everywhere, what are the key features of ours? What are the key features of yours? When just you are a student, you are going to school, you are reading anywhere, so what's your features? What will be? Your features should be always, you should be better student, your result should be better, you should be an IS and IPS, so that what your fathers, mothers are just investing for you, it should be utilized, they will be happy. So likewise, when just we are talking about this, the federalism key features, what are the important key features of this federalism? This federalism means it should run properly, there, and when it will run properly, when it will run smoothly, then what will happen? Your development will be like anything, your development will be better, And simple way there, just take the example of any family. If your family is well shut up, if the children, if the just family members are educated, the shape of your family will be much more better. Same way, system is of this Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat and these features of this federalism is also same. If we are working properly, education system is there, medical system is there. So, it is the responsibility of the administrators, it is the responsibility of the administration to just give the better health, better sanitation, better this road, transport, education, everything. When just you will provide all these things, it means automatically just you will be better. Abhi now just we are talking about the education, certainly in our mind the name of this Kerala is coming. Why? Because the same percent almost people are educated there in Kerala. Why not other states? So, we are lagging behind, so our names are not coming there. So, Kerala, they are much more aware about this, they know, they understand the value of education, they have the system of everything, they have the better management. So, they are growing up and up there throughout the country. We are calling them one of the best this state there in the education. See, this many issues are there. Mostly there are or is the value just need of the Gram Panchayat and villages there. If they are taking care for that, suppose there is no proper school, there is no proper road, approaching road to the city and towns, where the doctors are there, better doctors are there in the cities and towns. If just we don't have the better approach to this market where the doctors are living, then what will happen? We will be the sufferer. Our patient may just be in trouble. So, many things are there. You are watching this day by day. You are feeling this one also. For our village has or did not have the better school. There is no facility of this education. There is no facility of this transport. There is no system of this banking, just a post office, all these. So, all the times you will have to go to the nearby market, or sometimes just you will have to go to the far away from your village. Okay. So, this is Gram Panchayat will take care, give this one information to the higher level, higher authorities, and they will take care for that. See, main functions, features of just we can say that in our country there are system of this administration is very better. Just we can say there are earlier just I have told you sometimes the central and non-central. Again there is central state. I discussed regarding that. So, same thing this is coming here. The key features may just we can say the central state and this Gram Panchayat. Why this is better? If the center will be ruling, that will be better. If one administrator will be there, sometimes just like sometimes I say that the dictator is the better form of government. Why? Because nobody will say, no, I cannot do this one, I am not able to do this one. You know, the dictator is there, what he has told you to do, it is to be done. But here what happens there? Center is sometimes telling to state, please take care of this matter. Center told, but sometimes state is not ready to listen it out. So, there may be sometimes this conflict. And the last, what makes India federal? India makes federal, I told you, the central state and gram panchayat. Okay, yani panchayati raj system. So this shows that our country is the federal type of this government. Now this last explain the structure of rural government in India, that is Jila Parishad and Panchayat Samiti and Gram Panchayat. So when just you will go, dear brothers, all the times you, who those are mostly from villages, they know about that. The administration is how is being done there in the villages or Gram Sabha, ground, villages. Then there is Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti and this Jila Parishad. Jila Parishad, certainly this is at the top level, Jila Parishad, district. If any panchayat is in your area, if any panchayat system is there in your village, then who is or which is the top level organization for you? Jila Parishad. Okay, this Panchayat Samiti and this Gram Panchayat, I mean this, who those are living there in the, this is one of the, as I told you, 70% people are being controlled by this Gram Panchayat. Okay, 70% people of the area is being controlled and living there in the Gram Panchayat. If the Gram Panchayat, I mean this Gram Panchayat will be better, then 70% people may be better. So you can imagine 30% people are living only in the central area and state level, but these 70% people are living in the villages. If someone is taking care of this 70%, automatically you will be called better there in the country. Your name will come, or this panchayat is just very good panchayat. This panchayat is very named panchayat. Okay, thank you.